AWB Squad.
So today we're going to do a make and bake with chocolate filled biscuits.
And like, comment, subscribe to join AWB Squad. Make sure you always wash your hands always when you cook.
Also have an adult to supervise you while you're doing this.
Biscuit.
I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Biscuits. You're gonna need the Grand's biscuits. You're gonna need chocolate chips, Hershey chocolate chips, cinnamon sugar, a pastry brush, and butter.
And your chopping board.
And your chopping board.
And your
Also, you're gonna need a pan to put your chocolate stuffed biscuits in. Make sure you spray the pan with Pam or Baker's Joy.
And we got this stuff
From your local
from
Walmart.
get it from your local
Get
Walmart
from your local Walmart.
and
And
Kroger.
here's our mother.
This is
All right.
Mother.
So, who am I? I guess I can show. So what we do, when you get the biscuits out, of course they come out of the can like this. And what you do is separate, so you make two of them. Okay. Then you get your plate. You put the chocolate chips inside in the center of it. Oh, they fell off.
Uh-oh.
So I have my rollers here. So I'll do this part, and then Catalina is going to roll one. Like you roll one for me. Somebody. Khalil, did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? Okay. Roll.
I'm a roller.
And how I do, I usually just flatten it out a little bit so that, and then you pass it. Make sure you show watch relation on it. Once it's rolled, put it on pan over there relation. It's gonna butter each and every last one of them. You gotta have your butter. Make sure you melt the butter. Put it in a small little container.
It's right there.
Put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds or until it's melted all the way. You take your pastry brush and you butter each stuffed biscuit. She will also put the cinnamon sugar on there before we add them in the oven. Remember, you must butter every stuffed biscuit. Very, very important. You can spread them out.
I'm a roller.
Sugar.
Coaster.
Let me show you something. Because you know,
My ticket.
I meant to show you this before you started that. You remember how we do the croissants? Don't pour you some in there. Probably roll it like that, and then place it on your pan. That way your cinnamon sugar won't burn inside the oven. Okay?
I'll bite mine.
There you go.
Get the butter at the waist.
And you should better get 4. You can put them a little closer together.
What's with this?
Unless you want to, she'll tell you. This is our first time trying this recipe,
Yep.
so hopefully
And I'm gonna steak.
cinnamon is also good for you. And also you can get you some milk once it's ready. Get you some milk. Of course, AWB Squad, they love horchata, so we'll probably make up some horchata, which is a Spanish rice milk drink. and it has cinnamon in it as well. So while these baking, we'll make some horchata so they can drink with these.
You can also dip them too. Dip them in if you want. It's cinnamon squad.
I took those off the roll. Need some help? Can't do two of them at a time. Don't put it in the plate where she's Here, you can take these. Here, you can butter them right there. Sit that on the side. It's probably a lot of cinnamon sugar.
So you get every cinnamon.
Every cinnamon. Fleisha loves a lot of cinnamon sugar, as y'all can see. She really is. Let me help you out.
Time lapse.
Got those buttered big chungies.
I do.
Why you looking like that? There's cinnamon sugar in your life. Huh? I forgot we had sprinkles, y'all. So those who want sprinkles, you can do this any kind of way. You can do cinnamon sugar. You can do sugary sprinkles. You can make it a fun little neat activity with the kiddos. All right. So we got the pan done. Those will go in the oven. Here you go, baby.
And tell him which.
So we got the oven on 375. All you have to do is look at the
Bottom or top?
do the bottom.
Put it on the bottom.
That's the big stuff. All right, so we're gonna get ready to make the horchata. This is the brand that I like to use. It's the horchata, the Mexican version, the rice cinnamon drink, and it's in Spanish, aguas frescas. All right, very, very good, y'all. So I like mine real rich, so I use the whole bottle. It's a lot of us in the house, so, and it goes real quick. And I use, you can use whole milk, 2% or 1%. I use 1%. We're lactose, so this is like a lactose-free milk. Lactose milk does last a little bit longer than your regular brand of milk. So those of you who can't drink milk and milk hurts your stomach, you might be lactose intolerant like yours truly. So if you use this brand of milk, you can drink milk if you're lactose intolerant. So I'm gonna need another carton just because I like mine rich, so I like to use more milk than I do water. And I usually add a little bit of water, not too much. Can somebody bring my gallon of milk or water? So delicious. So since I'm using the whole jar, I usually take the rest of my milk and I add it inside the bottle here. I shake it up. Let me find my shaker. There you go, sir. Start shaking that. And I use pure water, which is distilled water. You can get it from your local Walmart or Kroger. But most of the time, Walmart has the distilled water. And you want to make sure you get all that at the bottom. Son, I got it. Thanks. All that is part of the horchata mix. There are different brands. They have some that's in a bag as well. These here I did get from Kroger. This bottle here. They do come in a bag. And let me see if I got some more of the bags. The bags we get from our international store where the Hispanic foods are. They come in different flavors. So this is the one that's in the bag. This is the Klass kind. It's horchata. They also have the sandia. Sandia is watermelon. It's sandia in Spanish there. So this, all you have to do is add water to this, just like Kool-Aid. So of course you're gonna always need a big spoon. I got my big spoon here, and you're just gonna stir all that up.
Also do the bottom.
Now this here will probably be gone. This don't even last us. So this will probably be gone here. And you stir it up really, really good. You can also add some cinnamon, but since we the kids are making the cinnamon stuffed chocolate stuffed biscuits with the cinnamon, I don't want to use too much cinnamon. But cinnamon is good to add in here as well. Get that a good stir. Anybody want to taste? Who gonna taste it?
Me.
As y'all can see, this is a very delicious drink. And I usually add some ice to it. Let me get y'all a small little cup. So who gonna taste it?
Me.
Everybody wanna taste
You
it.
know we greedy. Well, especially me.
All right, Leia, let me put you some ice. Even though I know you don't need any ice, it's already cold.
It's gonna be cold.
Let me grab my ladle. This is a ladle. So if you wanna, usually you see this for like a punch. You're making punch. If you're making punch. So this is called a ladle.
That's good. I like it.
All right. So this is what we usually do with our different desserts. Of course, we're using small cups today for the video. Usually we use bigger cups.
That's good.
Anybody else want some right now?
What kind is this? There's too much pizza.
So that is how we do our horchata.
What? That's kind of over.
And y'all might see some of the AWV squad get in a little trouble.
No. You won't.
Why you behind me drinking it?
Kiara, you want some?
Here.
That was good. That's baby dressing. It's gonna be better with the look.
Alrighty. So we don't have too much longer on our chocolate stuffed biscuits.
What is you doing?
So we're just gonna sit around until it's done.
So that is the horchata. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. Sorry. We got one ingredient that I didn't put in here. I used some I also used the Molina Mexican vanilla blend that I add in here as well. Just a little bit. It don't require much. So let me stir it up. And that's what gives it the brown look as well. So it gives it extra little taste, vanilla taste. But of course, you don't have to do the vanilla, but I love the vanilla flavor. So that is our horchata product.
Oh my god. This not even hot. Look at that, so cool.
Come on, man.
Yummy. See, tell her you need 4. I
That's what sugar
can't
on
even
it.
feel the hot.
Flavor,
Yeah.
sweet flavor.
Just a little bit sugar, not much.
Yeah, because y'all got cinnamon sugar on there.
Yo, what?
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
What's wrong with your tongue?
Right, no, I don't
Come
see.
on.
I'm taking this for
This one,
nowhere.
like this lashes.
Nowhere.
It's called.
Lele.
Try this bite.
It's
Try
called
this bite.
Lele
It's
shoe.
called-
Lele shoe.
chocolate filled. Yeah. Chocolate filled biscuits.
Chocolate stuffed biscuits.
Same thing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is like
No, it's not. When you feel it, you feeling it up.
you feel with chocolate. So yeah, you feel that. Yeah.
No, you stuff
Oh
it.
my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, the
my
taste
God.
reveal. The taste reveal.
Remember my camera.
It's hot.
The taste reveal.
Yeah.
Girl, you better let them cool off.
Y'all, go chew it. Go on, close your
I
mouth.
took a little bite.
It's very hot.
You know what? I'm smarter than y'all.
Like,
No, you not.
to make it hard.
No, it's not.
Trying to have it cool off real quick. Put it in the freezer.
So our chocolate's kind of melted, kind of semi-dead.
Oh, Mama, they got ice cream and then another sweet. Another sweet. Hold on.
Ice cream that you didn't get.
Oh, and you never will.
It's Kiara.
And
Dang.
you never
What do it say?
Right there.
already ate mine.
Ooh, I love that chocolate.
Tried to do.
Uh-oh.
Mama, this ice cream not that hot.
Nadia.
No, what ain't sure. So how's it, Kiara? I'm waiting for your response.
It's good. It's good.
It's good. It's
Too
good.
much chocolate. Did we put too much chocolate in it?
That bush.
Ooh.
So that's
Hot,
something
hot.
simple and quick.
Mm-hmm. Some dropped it.
Make sure you have an adult.
I want this for my birthday. Have a night
Right hand up.
Tim, you want to try? And don't forget your horchata. As y'all can see, we're about halfway done already.
I want more horchata. I'm gonna dip mine in.
Yeah, I'm gonna
What
go
do you
ahead and
know?
dip it?
Yeah.
You try with horchata.
That's how I made it.
Lord.
Little hot monster.
It's good.
You always say that. You gonna try it with your fruit punch too?
No.
Shoot, might as well.
It's good. Dip it again.
It tastes like milk. I
Like
taste the whole
bread
It tastes like
pudding.
chocolate milk with some bread. Now we out our
That's
video.
it for the video. I hope you guys like. We hope you guys like it. Don't forget to turn on the bell.
To see if it's
Click the
good.
bell
No, I do it.
and
Make
subscribe
make
and
sure-
like this video.
Make
And
sure.
comment down below what you think. What other desserts we should try?
Okay, make sure you hit the button till it rings harder.
Stop it. Get some help.
No, no,